Have you ever gazed at the night sky and pondered the existence of life beyond our planet? The universe, with its vast expanse, is home to an estimated 2 trillion galaxies, each teeming with a myriad of stars and planets. With such an almost incomprehensible enormity, the odds of us being alone in the cosmos seem infinitesimally small. This very notion brings us to the Fermi Paradox. Named after physicist Enrico Fermi, it questions why we haven't made contact with alien civilizations, given the high probability of their existence. You see, if there are a multitude of planets out there, shouldn't at least some of them host life? Further fuel to this existential conundrum is added by the Drake equation. Devised by Frank Drake, this mathematical formula attempts to estimate the number of advanced civilizations in our own galaxy, the Milky Way. But despite these theories, the existence of extraterrestrial life remains a mystery with compelling arguments both for and against. So, what evidence suggests that we are not alone in the universe? Well, let's start with the discovery of exoplanets. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, we've found over 4,000 exoplanets, many within the habitable zone where conditions could be just right for life as we know it. Even within our own solar system, the possibility of water on Mars and moons like Europa hints at potential life. Then there's the theory of panspermia. It suggests that life on Earth may have kick-started from bacteria hitching a ride on comets or asteroids. If life could travel to us, couldn't it have traveled elsewhere too? And let's not forget the unexplained phenomena, the WOW signal, a radio signal from space that still has scientists scratching their heads. Fast radio bursts, mysterious signals that come from distant galaxies. Could these be cosmic greetings from intelligent life forms? These discoveries and events fuel the argument that life may indeed exist elsewhere. On the other hand, what evidence suggests that Earth might be unique in hosting life? Let's delve into the Great Filter theory. This notion proposes that advanced civilizations might be scarce or non-existent due to some catastrophic event that hampers their evolution. Essentially, it's the idea of a cosmic roadblock that civilizations fail to navigate, thus we don't see a universe bustling with life. Then we have the undeniable lack of solid proof. Despite our best efforts, we haven't made direct contact with extraterrestrial beings. No confirmed spaceship sightings, no little green men knocking on our doors, nothing. The silence from the cosmos is deafening. Finally, we have the rare Earth hypothesis. This theory suggests that the specific conditions on Earth that support life, from our protective magnetic field to our just right distance from the sun, may be extremely rare in the universe. These theories and lack of concrete evidence cast a shadow of doubt on the existence of extraterrestrial life. So, do extraterrestrials exist, or are we alone in the universe? As we've explored, there are compelling arguments on both sides. Some evidence suggests a positive possibility, while other data may lead us to think we're alone. This complex question remains unanswered, a hot topic of ongoing research. Scientists are ceaselessly probing the cosmos, hoping to unravel this enigma. The universe holds many mysteries, and the existence of extraterrestrial life is one that continues to captivate us. The truth is out there waiting to be discovered.